Is that team of the year? Team of the year? Oh! Wake up. Wake up. You haven't done a pack opening yet. Wake up. How is it going? How's it going, guys? Today, I spent all of my money, but it went for a good cause. Because today, I'm on FIFA. I spent all my money on packs, and I have a ton of packs ready to be opened. Before we get into the video, please click the like button, smash that subscribe button, and now let's get on to the video. First player pick of the video. It might be a long day. Second player pick. Please. Okay, first walkout of the video. Back-to-back walkouts, you know, that's not bad. Another walkout, but we don't really want these. Okay, this is a 1 of 3, 86 plus player pick. First player. Second player. Another So after opening all these player picks, it's safe to say that these picks weren't great. But this last pick is a 1 of 3, 91 plus any team of the season pack. Should be good. First player. It's a goalkeeper. Brilliant. Let's move on. Second player. 86 physical. 44 defending. 94 dribbling. 91 passing. 94 shooting. And 91 pace. I don't know who this is. Not expensive. Next player. 90 physical. 92 defending. 93 dribbling, 90 passing. Alright, so those player picks might not have been great, but I got so many packs loaded up. So many packs loaded up ready to be opened. First actual pack of the video. It's not even, it's just a gold. Who even cares? Right back, German. Is this Kimmich? Oh, what is this? Left mid? Argentina? I don't know what this is. Is he worth anything? Oh, 90 De Bruyne. It's a good way to go. Oh, another color. Another color. What's this? His stats are good, but is he expensive? Oh, 100K? 100K. That's the best player we packed so far. We'll take that. Oh, team of the week. Team of the week. Oh, it's not even a walkout. It was a guaranteed team of the week pack as well.
21?
You stupid.
Oh! In the back of the pack. Who you walked up to? Look. Oh, we already packed this guy. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my days! I just packed Team of the Year. That's gotta be the best player I've ever packed in any FIFA in my life. Hold on. Let's get this guy off, and then let's bring Team of the Year Rodri into the squad. Let's go! Oh, a million coins! Oh my god! That's the best thing that's ever happened to me. This last pack doesn't even matter. I don't even care. Who am I gonna get? It doesn't even. Striker, Argentina. Who cares anymore? I got Rudiger and Rodri. This has to be the best pack opening ever.
5 minutes later.
Oh! We get a blue! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh what? What the fuck? Oh god! No!
Okay, now that I've opened a ton of packs and packed elite players, I'm gonna make a team out of the players that I packed. I'm gonna play a game with that team. I'm gonna try to win a game with these players. Let me sort out the team really quick. I just noticed that I packed the best City player wearing a City kit.
Oh yeah.
Here's the team. It's not the greatest, but Team of the Year Rodri certainly will do. And of course, we have the man, the myth, the legend, Pep Guardiola. All right. Okay. Don't be too crazy. It's a good Van Dijk, Allison. Oh my god, that's a good team. Fucking.
لدينا اليوم فريق سنيكس في مواجهة جونيورز معنويات مرتفعة عند أصحاب الأرض أمر طبيعي بالنظر إلى النتائج الأخيرة اللي
This guy wants to start the game. Okay.
لوثر ماتيوس سيبدأ
Come on.
كيفن دي بروين بيلعب
Come on. Header, Rodri.
ويدخل القلوب هدفين مقابل لا شيء.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh my days. What even is our keeper? Oh no. Yes! Oh my god. No. Van Dijk is ridiculous, man. Good save, good save. Oh my god. If he scores from the free kick, I'm quitting the game. Sweaty. Mate, I'll be honest, you're down 5-1. You might as well just forfeit. Chip him! You know what? Just for the video, let's go. No, yes. No, David De Gea, where you going? Alright, whatever. We're just gonna have to score on our own. Bang! Yo, this guy just quit the game, Brad. You know what I mean, mate? Pausing now. Is it time to quit? One more goal before he quits. He's back for some more BTA. Give me the ball, Brad. Give me the Okay. Alright. Kevin! Oh.
Make the ground shake.
Oh my days. So, we opened a lot of packs. Some banging players, if you ask me. Team of the Year Rodri and Team of the Year honorable mention something Rudiger. That might be the best pack opening up I've seen on FC25 so far.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
In one game, our opponent might have been either stinky, or maybe the team was too good, or maybe I was too good.